Hidden beneath your ribs, working day and night without rest, is the mighty heart. A muscle no bigger than your fist, yet powerful enough to keep you alive for decades. It beats from before you are born until your very last breath, fueling every moment of your life. This is the true story of the human heart, how it works, why it's so essential, and the amazing journey it powers inside your body. What is the heart? The heart is a muscular organ that acts as a pump to move blood throughout your body. It's located slightly to the left of the center of your chest. It is roughly the size of a closed fist and weighs about 250 to 350 grams, or about 9 to 12 ounces. Fun fact, a healthy heart beats around 100,000 times per day, more than 35 million beats each year. The structure of the heart has 4 chambers. Right atrium receives blood low in oxygen from the body. Right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs to pick up oxygen. Before we move on to the left side of the heart, let's take a moment to understand the journey of the blood. Imagine a grand tour through the body's most vital organ. Blood enters the right atrium low in oxygen, a bit tired from its long trip around the body. From there it moves down to the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood gets a fresh supply of oxygen, ready to fuel your body once more. This oxygen-rich blood then travels to the left atrium, passing through the left ventricle, which pumps it out to every corner of your body. It's a continuous life-sustaining cycle happening every second of every day. Amazing, isn't it? Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights about the human body. Let's dive into the left atrium and ventricle. The left atrium, well, it receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs, and then the left ventricle steps in to pump this oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. It's quite a crucial role, wouldn't you say? Now, let's talk about the heart valves. Between these chambers are valves that open and close with each heartbeat. They ensure that blood flows in the correct direction, which is pretty important for, keeping everything running smoothly. Here's a fun fact for you. The left ventricle is actually the strongest chamber of the heart because it must push blood through the entire body. Quite impressive, don't you think? How the heart works, the journey of blood. Here's how blood moves through your heart in one cycle. First, deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium from the body. Next, it moves to the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Then oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium. It then moves into the left ventricle, which pumps it out to the body. This continuous loop, called circulation, delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells and carries away waste products. Fun fact, your blood travels through a system of arteries, veins and capillaries stretching more than 100,000 kilometers or 60,000 miles. The heart beats on its own thanks to a natural pacemaker, the sinoatrial or SA node. Located in the right atrium, the SA node sends electrical impulses that trigger each heartbeat. This system ensures the heart beats in a steady, coordinated rhythm. Fun fact, the heart can continue beating for a short time even if removed from the body, because it generates its own electrical signals. How to keep the heart healthy. A strong heart needs care. Exercise. Regular aerobic activity strengthens the heart muscle. Healthy diet. Foods rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats support heart health. Avoid smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels and increases heart disease risk. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise blood pressure and strain the heart. Routine checkups, early detection of issues helps prevent serious heart problems. Fun fact, laughing is good for your heart. It can reduce stress hormones and boost blood flow by up to 20%. When the heart needs help. Sometimes the heart needs medical support. Pacemakers, small devices implanted to regulate heart rhythm, bypass surgery, reroutes blood around blocked arteries. Heart transplants. In extreme cases, a donor heart can save a life. Advances in medicine have dramatically improved survival rates for heart disease, once considered untreatable. Fun fact, the first successful human heart transplant was performed in 1967 by Dr. Christian Barnard in South Africa. Conclusion. The human heart is more than a muscle. It's the tireless engine that powers every heartbeat, every breath, and every dream. It pumps courage through your veins, fuels your every move, and even responds to your feelings, racing when you're excited or slowing when you're calm. Every moment you live is a testament to the heart's silent, faithful work, a reminder that even the strongest forces can be hidden deep within. The heart is not just vital for life, it is life itself.